Hello and welcome to Gary Keep It Simple. Now, I really am glad you've come along here. This is a slight deviation from my norm, but it comes along the heading of tech. So I'm glad you're here, and let's see if we can see where this is going. This is all about AI. Well, it's not all about AI. It's totally AI. This is. So this is me. This is really me. Hello. This is me. And you can tell. Slappy noises, all the rest of it. So this is me, and I'm going to show you something that I did yesterday just as an experiment, but I think you might be interested in it. So stay tuned and see to the end. You'll find it's quite good, I think, or worrying, or maybe you can understand what people are talking about now. I had my eyes opened, put it that way, well and truly opened. This is from a website called invideo.ai, and I saw it on Facebook, and I thought, well, it says free trial, I'll give it a go. I did try it actually a couple of, 18 months ago, and I wasn't very impressed, but all I did on here was I typed in a kitten flying over London in a hot air balloon, and this is what it's come up with. And it's taken a little bit of time, so what I'll do is I'll just speed this up slightly, but I'll keep it running so you can just see how long it takes. This is now running at 4 times speed. So originally it took a minute from pressing the button to get into the stage that we're about to go now.
Ever pictured a tiny kitten piloting a hot air balloon? Today we're whisking away on a whimsical journey high above the bustling streets and iconic landmarks of London. Picture this, a dawn sky painted in hues of gold and pink. A tiny, fluffy kitten, her fur glistening in the first rays of the sun, takes the helm of a vibrant hot air balloon. With a gentle tug of the ropes, the balloon ascends, leaving the cityscape behind. As the balloon sails higher, the kitten gazes down at the sprawling city below. It's a sight to behold. The River Thames meanders like a silver ribbon, threading through the heart of London. The kitten's soft purrs harmonize with the distant hum of the city awakening. Next, she spies the majestic Tower of London, standing resolute as it has for centuries. The whispers of history seem to echo from its ancient stones, reaching even to our high-flying kitten. Her curious eyes sparkle with the reflection of the morning sun hitting the tower's robust walls. The balloon drifts further, bringing the iconic London Eye into view. This giant Ferris wheel, with its gleaming capsules, is a mesmerizing sight from above. The kitten tilts her head, captivated by the slow, elegant rotation of this modern marvel. With a gentle breeze, the balloon moves on, revealing the bold modern lines of the Shard. This towering structure, reaching for the clouds, seems to wink at our petite pilot, their heights shared for a fleeting moment. Finally, the balloon floats over the lush greenery of Hyde Park, a verdant oasis amidst the urban sprawl. The kitten watches the early morning joggers, the playful dogs, and the swans gliding over the serpentine lake, their tranquility resonating with her own serene journey. And so, our little adventurer's journey draws to a close. From the meandering Thames to the historic Tower of London, the spellbinding London Eye to the towering Shard, and the tranquil Hyde Park, she's witnessed the heart and soul of London from a vantage point few are lucky to experience. Witnessing the world from such heights, the kitten reminds us that sometimes all it takes is a change in perspective to see the beauty that surrounds us. So the next time you look at a kitten, remember she may just be dreaming of her next great adventure, soaring high above the city in a hot air balloon.
Wow. What can I say? That was from just a single line saying, a kitten flying above London in a hot air balloon. And it came up with a story, it's got all the correct intonation, it's got the pictures. It would take ages to dream of that and actually make it. And that was all done in less than 2 minutes. So that's what AI can do for you. I'm not sponsored for this, I just found it and I thought it'd be of interest. So, if you've had any experience, maybe you'd like to put some comments, and if you've just sort of enjoyed the video, maybe you'd like to share it around and point it out to other people. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll leave you with that, and maybe we're out of a job, I don't know. Anyway, catch you another time. Cheers, bye.